Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and tonight, we made some taco pizza. We didn't use tortilla. We used a thin crust pizza dough to make this taco pizza. And hey, I slacked. I missed the all the stuff I was supposed to get at the store. Should have had sour cream, maybe some shredded lettuce. But you can make it how you'd like. If you would like all of that on top, let me show you how I make this, and we'll be right back. We're gonna taste this thing. Okay, for this taco pizza, I'm going to use my the Jus Roll pizza dough. It's a 12-inch. It's a thin crust. I'm going to be using some Rosita spicy jalapeno refried beans. Now, all these ingredients, I'm making this so that anybody can make it. I'm going to make it in my oven. I'm not going to make it on the Blackstone pizza oven and show you how to do it. You'll never see me do this probably ever again, but I'm going to use Great Value's red enchilada sauce, and actually I tasted it. It's honestly not that bad, but I only need like a couple tablespoons, and I don't want to make it. So red enchilada sauce, beans, four cheese, Mexican cheese, blend, some olives, and hey, it's not a ManKitchenRecipes recipe without hatch green chilies. We'll throw some of those on top too, and a pound of burger. Let's get that fried up. And I'm going to start the oven. I'm going to preheat it to 400 degrees. Fry the hamburger, get the pizza ready, put it together, and I'm baking it in the oven. So let's get this going. All right, while my hamburger is frying up, I'm going to use the spicy jalapeno refried beans out of a can, not fresh made, but that's all right. Can't always make everything fresh. And this is just for a quick meal at night when you get home. Got all these ingredients, and this is where I wanted the red enchilada sauce. It honestly does taste pretty good. So I'm going to go with, I'm going to start with probably about maybe a quarter cup, 4 tablespoons. I'm going to get this heated up and stirred up and get it nice and creamy. Ground beef is browned up pretty nice. So this is a Cholula seasoning mix. It's not really a taco mix, so what it calls for is, you can put it in fajitas, you can put it in all kinds of stuff, but I'm putting it in this hamburger. So I'm going to sprinkle it around, but it calls for half a cup of water. So I think I will add some water to this and let it just simmer. Looks like a lot of seasoning. You can make your own taco seasoning mix if you like, or use your favorite. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit because that's what I do. Smokey Chipotle sounded really good, especially for a taco pizza. And smoky because, well, I'm not out on the grill, but I can still get my smokiness. Okay, so the beans, I ended up putting a little more red sauce, and it's just a little more than a cup of red chili sauce or red enchilada sauce. And the beans look nice and creamy. We'll be able to spread that on the pizza dough. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to pre-cook the pizza dough real quick. So I'm going to unroll it, but I'm going to put a little olive oil on this 12-inch pan. And then we're going to bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to get this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. The crust has been going for 8 minutes, so it's got a little bit of crust to it. So when we bake it the rest of the way, be good to go. So first thing I'm going to lay down is the creamy, spicy jalapeno beans with red chili enchilada sauce. That's going down first. Okay, so that's probably enough. That's probably a little over half the can. I have a half a can of that red enchilada sauce. I am going to drizzle some more on top of these beans. It does taste rather good for a Great Value. I'm wondering who makes it for them. Okay, so now I've got my 4 cheese Mexican blend for my cheese. And I'm going to add the taco meat. Okay, and of course, green chilies. It's going to be spicy, but hey, we love our green chili. You can omit this part because the taco pizza with just that taco meat, cheese and beans, and then possibly a little bit more cheese. I love cheese. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on top. I love olives. Elizabeth does not. Some people do, some people don't. I'm going to put olives, extra olives, on half of this. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven for about probably 5 to 8 minutes, probably 8 minutes. Let it cook up a little more, let it melt the cheese, and we'll be back. And there you go, look at that. What's up? Get the olives over on their half. Look at that. It is hot. Right, I got so excited about how good that looked, I forgot to add the tomatoes on top. And some fresh green onions. Put shredded lettuce on here. Anything you'd like. Sorry for not having all the ingredients that I went to the store for. Sometimes it happens. See a squirrel? Walk out without everything you need. So, taco pizza. All right, here we go. There it is. Taco pizza. Made with, you know, you can make this in your oven in the house. I showed you how. All store-bought ingredients, so those of you that want to make it absolutely fresh, go for it. All right, even though I pre-baked the dough with all this toppings, it's still pretty limp. So let's get a bite. Mmm. I got cheese everywhere. Boy. Wow, that really packs the flavor. And I gotta tell you, that Cholula Chipotle, Smoky Chipotle seasoning, wow, that is really good. It kicks it up a spicy notch. So if you don't want it real spicy, use your favorite taco seasoning. So good, this is really good. Be sure to pre-bake that your dough, whether you're using homemade dough, store-bought dough, thin crust dough, pre-bake it so that when you put all the toppings on, you only have to put it back in to melt the cheese. So 400 degrees, I baked the dough for 8 minutes, built the pizza, put it back in for another 8 minutes. I just wanted to make sure it was all cheesy and melty. The refried beans. Right. Well, there you go. Thanks for checking this out. Try making a taco pizza. Quick and easy. You know, weeknight dinners. Whip one up. I think the family will love it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. I'm going to go enjoy this pizza.